Hard anodized aluminum construction for durability. Unique Thermo Spot heat indicator for proper preheating. Hard titanium nonstick interior for the ultimate and longest lasting performance. Riveted silicone handles for safety and comfort. TechnoResist anti-warp base, oven safe to 400 F, lifetime limited warranty. Enjoy reliable cooking performance with T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware. Its innovative Thermo Spot heat indicator lets you know when the pans are properly preheated, a critical component to sealing in moisture and delicious flavor, whether sautéing vegetables or searing steak. When the pattern in the center turns to a solid red spot, the pan is hot and ready to cook. The cookware's hard anodized aluminum construction heats quickly and offers long-lasting strength, while its warp-resistant even heat base distributes heat evenly throughout for optimal cooking results. Use the cookware on any cooktop, except for induction. PFOA, lead, and cadmium-free, the cookware's durable expert nonstick interior offers a health-conscious option, effortless food release, little to no fat or oil needed, and easy cleaning. The T-fal Ultimate 10-inch sauté pan features tall sides and a wide base that make it useful for a wide range of cooking techniques, from browning and frying to sautéing vegetables or searing fish. Even more, the pan's vented tempered glass lid traps in heat and moisture, while its silicone stay-cool handles come riveted for strength and offer a secure and comfortable hold. Oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, lid up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. Great and improved frying pan. Replaced my old faithful T-fal pan that had to be 20 years old and had kind of lost the non-stickiness. Much improved. More cooking area as the sides are steeper, but still rounded. Allows for more food area and more even gas cooking. The finish seems much improved and harder. Cleans easy. Heat distribution is more even. Maybe the titanium makes a difference. Oh, old lid fits, a plus. No negatives, happy cook. Planning to also replace the deep fry pan with the same.